Have you ever had one of those days when it feels like you've got just about every single piece of equipment you own in the van? Well, that's like that for me today. I've got a few jobs that need just tying up, and I'm going to think I'm doing about 5 different types of work today. So I thought I'd bring you with me and see how we get on. So let's get cracking. So our first job is treating this metal roof on a mobile park home. I'm using the DA spray nozzle with the purple cone on. There's very little wind today, so I don't think I'll get any overspray. And I'm using the Dosatron to mix the Biocide, and I'm using GK Pro Biocide. So let's give this a spray and see how we get on. So that's our first job done. I decided to brush it in the end instead of spraying it on, and the reason for that was because it was a non-porous roof, as it was a metal roof. It was just running straight off, so I thought if I brushed it on, it would brush it well into all the algae and the lichen that was growing on the roof, and it would work better. So as I said, I brushed it on. Some people say, well, why didn't you pressure wash it, and why didn't you hypo it? Well, hypo, as I said, it was a metal roof, and hypo can corrode some metals, so I didn't want to do that. And pressure washing, I wasn't quite sure how well the colour was on the roof, so I decided not to pressure wash it either, and hopefully that'll do a good job of it. So the customer's happy with that. So we're off to our next job now. I was a bit late starting that one because it was really cold this morning. There was a good frost on it, and that was in the shade, so I was late starting it. But when you see the next job I'm going to do, you'll see the importance of not rushing a job. When you rush, you tend to make mistakes, and I don't want to make a mistake on this one because it's a gutter repair and it's quite oil. I don't like doing gutter repairs this high, but it's an existing customer that I cleaned the gutters out for, so I said I'd try and give it a go. So we'll get off to the next job and see how we get on with it. See there, the gutter's just pulled apart. So I'm just going to have to scoot it along. The only problem is three stories high, so I'm going to have to be really careful on this one. So that's that one done, all moved along. Got to admit, that did make me bum twitch a bit, but all done now. So now we're just going to clean the windows on the place. It's a nice regular job I do here. So that's another job done. Gutter repair on that one, and then the windows cleaned. It's I think it's 14 apartments or something in there. So got all that all done, and I'm off to the final job now. Now this one was in one of my last videos when I did the 2 pressure washing jobs, and it's the first chance I've had to get back and sand it up, and I've just got to clean the gutters out there as well. There's not a lot in the gutters, but she did ask me to do it, so I'll give that a quick whiz round. Well done if you've made it to the end of the video. That's 5 different types of job I've done today. I've done a roof treatment, a gutter repair, a window clean, a gutter vac, and resanded a drive. So leave a comment telling me the most amount of jobs that you've done in a day. See if you can beat 5 what you've done and what they were. And thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.